Namaskar. My name is Joy from the Yoga Place. And as we all know, we are in the middle of the winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Today, I would like to show you a pranayama that will generate more heat in the body. The name of this pranayama is Surya Beda. Surya means sun, Beda means to pierce or purify. This pranayama activates the energy of the Pingala Nadi, or the channel generating heat, and its respective qualities. This pranayama will benefit those suffering from depression, lethargy, make you more extrovert. This pranayama should not be practiced by those suffering from heart diseases or any ailments that make you more hyper in general. It should not be practiced for long periods of time, as it will energetically imbalance you. It is recommended to end this pranayama with a few minutes of Ujayi. This will minimize the imbalance. We have Ujayi on the channel too. I will link it up so you can try it for yourself. With this technique, we shall be using the Nasikra Mudra, left or the right hand. If you're not comfortable with this mudra, you can use your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. So we shall be closing the left nostril, inhaling from the right, and then closing the right nostril, exhaling from the left. And then we'll keep practicing this technique 10 times. Anytime you do not feel good, immediately stop the practice, okay? So let us begin. Place your palms on your lap. Let us take a few moments to watch our breath. Pranayama should not be practiced unconsciously. So get in touch with those breaths. Flowing in, flowing out. Flowing in, flowing out. Take a few more moments. Flowing in, flowing out. Flowing in, flowing out. Now, with your right hand, gently close the left nostril, inhaling from the right nostril. Let us begin. Then, closing the right nostril, exhale from the left nostril. Gently close the left nostril and start inhaling from the right. Closing the right nostril, exhale from the left. Keep going. Do not force your breath. Closing the left, inhale from the right. Closing the right, exhale from the left. Closing the left, inhale from the right. Closing the right, exhale from the left. Number 5, try on your own. Number 6, closing the left, inhale from the right. Then closing the right, exhale from the left. You are doing great. Continue. Number 8, inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Continue, 2 more to go. And finally, the last one. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Then place your palms on your lap and let us do a few smooth Ujjayis. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. If you need more time to just breathe, you can pause this video and continue. Then slowly open your eyes. There are more advanced versions of this pranayama, which should only be practiced under the guidance and observation of a competent teacher. Do let me know how you have felt after this practice. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaskar.